hello. How's everyone doing today? YouTube chat on the side. Can you guys hear us? Can you guys see us? Give us a GM in the chat. If you guys can hear us, if you guys can see us. Ladies and gentlemen, is it it? Is this it? I'm not sharing my screen, am I? 1 second. Second. All right. Sorry about that. Make this a little better. Cool. How's everyone doing today? Can you guys hear us? Can you guys see us? Audio is a little not great. How's the audio, guys? Can you guys see us well? Can you guys hear us well? Audio issue only live. Oh, okay. I know what that is. I just don't know how to fix it. Only one side is audible, right? ये हंजाला का किया हुआ है. रुको. It'll take me. या एक बार हंजाला को कॉल करना. उसे बोलना left right वाला उसने कुछ किया था. We need to fix that. Other than that, how's everyone doing? We'll start in a bit. Yeah, I know why that is. I see it here as well. As you can see, only one of them is working and the other one is just flat. I just don't know how to fix it. I mean, the worst case, we can fix it by just changing the audio. Let's do that temporarily. I just have to be louder. Hello. Can you guys hear me now? Is this good? Is this both sides now? Can you guys hear us? Can you guys see us? Ab audio sahi hai bhai. Hello. Can we start the stream, everyone? Is the audio good now? Let me know with a yes or a no. Can you guys hear us fine now? All right. Cool. We'll kick things off. We'll fix this. All right. We'll start, guys. Today's live stream is going to be one of three things. We'll try to see if we can do. First step is just going to explore the website. Explore, what is it called? AI Fiesta. Then we'll see if we can find something. Find something interesting. Then we'll see if we can find something. Find something interesting in there. There are speculations that using Supabase, and if you guys know, Supabase and Firebase have common vulnerabilities. So we'll try to spend some of our time there and try to see if we can find one of those. If not, then they're using Razorpay. Like standard vulnerabilities, you can find Razorpay as well. If not, then you can just write them down. So there are a few things you can find, either Razorpay or prompt injection. Then there are speculations they're not using the right model, so we'll do some model finding. And then lastly, they're using Supabase, which is commonly known to have some vulnerabilities unless configured correctly. We'll spend some time there, and if we find nothing, then we'll see how can we clone the website and how hard is it to build something like this. Generally it should be very obvious. It's not very hard to build a chat wrapper, and if we don't find anything from in point 1 and point 2, then we'll spend some time trying to clone the website. All right. Very high probability they're using Supabase, but we'll see if that's the case or not. Is the video audio good? Some people are saying video is lagging. Is the audio good? Is the video good? Can we kick things off, guys? Oh, there's a lag. That's not great. एक बार YouTube खोलना. Is there a lag? There might be a lag. Video main channel. Probably because of the internet.
Main channel.
Yeah. There are 32% dropped frames, so, and it's only increasing. No, there's something is up. Internet issue here mostly. is that?
No, ये मेरे laptop में.
Okay, let's turn that off. Give us a second, guys. We'll try to fix this. There are a few Wi-Fi's that we can switch to. Okay, let's try the 5G network.
आपका भी किस पे?
Same one, 100x cool.
100x 5G करो.
वही कर रहा हूँ next.
ऋषभ भाई, can you turn off the speakers?
Alright, hopefully, is it better? Let me know if it's not any better. Are we good now? Can we proceed, guys? Give me a yes or a no. Are we good to go? Can you guys see us? Can you guys hear us? Audio check, mic check, video check. Is it still lagging or are we good to go? Alrighty, seems like we're good to go. If not, let us know. But with that, we'll kick things off. Let's explore the website. It's the world's most powerful AI, is what I've been told. I'm interested to see if that's the case or not. Let's try to buy a subscription. I don't have one yet. So let's log in with Google really quickly. That looks fine. Oh, it seems like I can access a few models for free as well, but let's just
Three messages.
yeah, let's just upgrade really quickly. I hope they have UPI. Yeah, they might. This actually is the first attack vector. Should we just try to hack it at this point? All right, the very first attack vector is just seeing if they're verifying Razorpay payments or not. Do we already know this? It's very simple. One common thing that you'll miss if you're ever adding payments is not verifying the payments on the backend, which lets you do a few things. It lets you change the amount. I can change this to 1 rupee and try to pay and see if I'm able to buy the subscription for 1 rupee. So let's try that first. I think that's the very first thing to try. UI is a little weird. Okay, monthly plan. Let's see the very first request that goes out. And the request goes out to create-checkout. We see a request that goes to create-checkout with a plan ID. So we're screwed over here. Unfortunately, the amount doesn't go from the front end. If the amount went from the front end, the thing we would have tried is sending the wrong amount over here. So that's not great. It basically means the plan reaches the backend has the price, and then that price is what this subscription is created for. Yeah, there's not much we can do over here then. I think their Razorpay is foolproof. Yeah, 2 points to Gryffindor. Iske baad, yeah, there's not much we can do from here, is there? No, we can't hack their payments, unfortunately. So let's try to quickly pay and see what happens from there. Honestly, if this is not hackable, everything from this point seems unhackable. So we'll still try our best. Meanwhile, there are a few people here trying their best to hack, prompt inject, do something. So we'll see if that happens. But I have paid via UPI. I should have captured some of the requests over here, but never mind. All right, I think I have upgraded. What the fuck? Abbe?
Refresh.
I did refresh. Someone's calling me. Need to turn my phone to DND. Alright, that's the first thing. I paid, but I wasn't upgraded, which is fine. Let's try paying one more time. Okay. Alright, we'll pay another time. It's fine. So hopefully I don't have to pay a third time.
Capture this time.
Scan. All right, let's try that one more time. And this time I'm actually looking at the requests as well.
So please sit down.
Hold on. I hope it doesn't get cleared. Okay, happened for the second time, guys. Now,
Open payment email.
hold on. It's all on Superbase or Supabase, whatever. This one probably returned a. They're all returning 200s, let's say.
Down. Track. Yeah, user subscriptions.
Where do you see it?
Second last. Yeah.
All right.
I think that's like get query, right? Select star from user.
Yeah. ID, user ID, provider subscription ID, plan type paid. This is just a get user request.
Still you can like copy.
You can.
Copy as call.
Hold on. Payload. Headers. Do I see a Superbase? I see something over here. Hopefully this is like temporarily generated. Superbase ref role annum. So that's probably not it.
It's a bearer token authorization.
Yeah. Which is, I probably don't want to show this. Preferences. Yeah, this seems, and we can dive deeper into this.
No, that is just like get query.
I know, but the question is, can you recreate that get query for any user ID, or is it only for
Oh, I think that you can create. Oh, good.
I don't think so, because
It's like UUID.
Yes, the one we can't guess it, and two, I'm unsure if this JWT can be reused for any user.
No. If you can do that, right, then you can probably do by email as well, right? If
That's not the wrong. Yeah, that's not the worst thing in the world. That is a great suggestion that Sargam gave here. So the thing about Supabase, I'm assuming this because Firebase has this. I'm assuming Supabase has the same thing as well. Which is there is no backend. You directly connect to the database, and as you can see over here, this request sort of tries to send all the SQL parameters over here. User ID equal to something. So what I'm going to do is file import this query in Postman, and try to send it. This time it gives me back my user ID.
Email.
Now the question is, can we try this? And if it returns something, then we have a problem. Let's start with this. The result contains 3 rows. I have 3 subscriptions, that's right.
This one also
Requested multiple. Okay, how can you request okay, hold on. Now comes the has anyone else logged in here? What?
Sorghum, Powder, POUTEL, 100 at gmail.com.
No, actually this isn't it.
No.
I think that this does nothing because you have not created a subscription, right? Have you?
No, I haven't.
It's just returning my subscription. That probably means it's getting my user ID. Basically, this means nothing. So it's getting my subscriptions from one of these. Most probably this.
Yeah. No, I didn't think so.
I mean, I'm not passing in anything.
But do like Ctrl Z. There was like last parameter was there, right? That we removed. Yes, subscription status.
Correct.
Yes. Now see now it did, right, for you.
Yeah, but that's the thing, right? This is the first step. It's getting my user ID from here. It's finding 3 rows. Then it's filtering based on this, finding 1 row and returning that 1 row. That makes sense. So even if I put your email here, it'll basically probably not show any rows. I put a random because it still works.
Okay.
Basically this.
I mean it's from bearer to one.
Exactly. That's good. Very surprising. The next common attack vector would be this. What does this JWT decode to? Let's see. It decodes to this very big object. So we'll copy this and we'll hash it using a random secret. And then let's see if they're actually verifying on the backend. Most probably they are, because they're using Superbase. Exactly, they're using Superbase. So I doubt this is hackable, but let's try it out. So what is it called? AI free stuff. create JWT,
Insert that.
one init, one add JSON web token, vindex.ts, import JWT from JSON web token, JWT
Dot sign. Secretly.
copy paste, and now I'm going to replace the email with Sargam's email, 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀@gmail.com, and I need your ID as well. Can you get me your ID? You'll find it somewhere in your logs. This one, just like this. Oh, it's a full name. So I'm trying to basically create a paste link. So what I'm trying is I'm trying to replace the JWT. I'm signing it with a random secret, and hopefully they're actually verifying the secret and not just decoding it, which is most probably be true. Very low probability they've missed this, but still worth trying. Everything else I think is yeah, I think the metadata doesn't matter. Just this sub field matters. Let me try to find.
Pastepin.com /JI capital F UW capital EI3.
This?
Yeah.
This is Sargam's user ID. And now I have nothing. Now I have a JWT, which is incorrect. It's not. It decodes to Sargam's ID, but the secret is incorrect. I've just used a random secret. So hopefully this will not work. Very high probability it doesn't work. I'm going to replace my JWT with Sargam's JWT,
Malcolm.
and
Send.
this is already Sargam, send, and
Zero.
invalid signature. That's exactly what is expected. So 2 more points to Gryffindor. So no errors during authentication. Verification is done correctly. Cookies are being used everywhere. I'm slowly disappointed. Let's see if I was upgraded this time. And seems like I was. Took me a few subscriptions, but I now am able to access, whatever their front end, and probably can hit all the models. So let's see what's the endpoint that's actually returning a few responses from here. All right. Promised at all. So we send a request to /chat
Payload. What was the payload?
with a new chat ID and a title. Probably gets stored in some sort of we need a charger database. We need a charger. And
Charger has been.
is this connected to?
नहीं.
कर दो भाई, चार्जिंग कर दो ऑलमोस्ट. नीचे बढ़ाएं तो सर्वर वाला. All right. And then it just forwards 5 requests directly from the front end. The first one is, it's all to the same thing. I think the only thing that changes is which model it hits. Hold on, this is sorry, my bad. Here. So the first request goes out with payload.
Gemini.
Where do you see it?
Oh, okay. Try one thing, like on a free user, right?
Let's try that next. But before that, where is Gemini? Oh, there you go. Model Gemini, model Grok, model Perplexity, model ChatGPT. I think they'll have that. We'll try it again. But which is the paid one? These were, right?
Grok.
Yeah.
Claude for Sonnet. So let's try that. Copy as curl. Go to Postman. Import. Can you send me a cookie? You're free, right? Okay. So what we're trying next is we're trying to hit a premium endpoint through an unpaid account. So that way we're trying to see, can you as an unpaid user access the paid models. Let's try that next. Abhi, if I send it using my cookie, it responds, which is expected because, hold on. इसके बाद भी कुछ request है क्या? It responds because it's just like a message stream, post request completions. Oh, it returns you a chat ID. Oh no, sorry, we sent the chat ID, my bad. It returns you this. Tell me again. Alright.
Oh, user subscriptions.
Hold on. It's streaming the response. The postman isn't showing it, unfortunately. I'm just trying to see the response over here, but I don't see it because they're streaming the response. I could have sworn.
Not the previous.
Oh, my bad. But still, I could have sworn they were using. Yeah, you could see the message stream of this. If I go to chat.openai.com, I think you can't see it here either. Then.
I think you can see it.
Yeah, I think when it streams the response, you don't see it.
You see.
Hold on.
You will see that PTTT.
No, that's not it. That's just a metrics endpoint. This one. Innovation. Oh yeah, you do see it, right? Exactly. Yeah, you see the full event stream over here. We don't see that.
No, I think because the event stream ended, right?
No, that isn't it. Because यहाँ पे भी, I mean, if I try to do this in Postman, copy as. If I try to go to ChatGPT and import it here, I'll see it here. I see something else here. We're missing something very obvious in terms of how they're streaming the response from the backend.
Yeah.
Okay. What were we trying? We were trying to send a wrong cookie and from a different account, right? Are you logged in using email and password, Sargam, or email?
Google.
Can you log in your email over here?
Yeah.
1 second, guys. The hack that we're trying is we're trying to send a premium request from Sargam's email, who's
Open
not
WhatsApp.
a paid user.
WhatsApp.
I can't open WhatsApp. Just type out your email and password.
I don't know password.
Oh, don't remember.
I am like this.
Oh. I can just create a fresh account, right? Why am I using
Oh
it?
yeah.
Okay. So now I have a paid account and a free account. I'll try to send the request to a paid account through a free account. Does that make sense? I think that's simple enough to digest. Google. Here. I also have another.
YouTube is
Quick
not
hack to
receiving
try.
enough video to so
There's a lag. We are waiting. I know there is a lag. We will wait. Hold on. अरे what the fuck? तो frames आएंगे रे?
OBS दिख रहा है बाबा.
ये frames जा रहे हैं क्या आप देखना? Video hacked.
30 सेकंड में डिले चलता है वैसे. हाँ चल रहा है.
चल गया?
हाँ चल रहा है. चल.
Good. Are you sure? All right. I think we are back. Are we though? All right. You can hit it. I have checked it out. Probably block you by differentiating simple chords based on paid and not used. Also, you can stream it in Postman. You need a basic front. You can't stream in Postman. Alrighty.
Yeah, because you cannot subscribe to event stream.
Hold on. Someone said they have found something already. So let me paste their comment over here. This is what someone mentioned right now. They said you can hit it. I have checked it out. They probably block you by differentiating simple chords based on paid and non-paid users. What does chords mean?
Chords is paid and unpaid.
Let me just replace this with condition. They replace you based on a certain condition based on paid and non-paid users. You can stream. You can't stream in post. You need a front end for it.
No, you can use like any event stream client.
Like, what is an event stream client? Do you know one? And also before that,
Mute हो गया मेरा.
can you guys hear us? Hello, hello, hello. आ रही है ना आवाज? आ तो रही है?
दो मिनट निकल
क्या?
चल चल.
All right. One more time. Let me send a query. It sends 5 queries. The question really is, why don't I see any response over here? Why is that? Does anyone already know? Does anyone already know or not? Because if not, then we'll try to send a curl or something. Copy as curl. Okay. Oh, it's an option. My bad. Option request. Headers, post request, copy as curl. Let's try that. भाई ये तो पोपट होने वाला लग रहा है. They're streaming the data a different way. What are they doing?
Event source, see about like event source.
Wait. There's no probability of an SQL injection. They are using Supabase. There's no probability of an SQL injection. The first thing to figure out is there's. Okay, let's do that thing. People are saying if I try it with the front end, it will happen. So, npx, how do you create a React app? Create React app.
Create white at the latest.
Create it at latest. npm. The thing is, we're sending a request. We're not able to see the response correctly. Then we'll go from there.
No, but like they will block you through chords.
That's what I'm worried about.
No, but I think they also use byte locally, no?
But that's fine. Chords is on the URL. Oh, locally it will block most probably. Yeah, correct. All right. Time to send the same request via a front end. And let's try to see if we can reverse engineer the request from there. So this is a front end. I'm going to send a request when you click on a button over here.
Why is TSS not holding for you? Oh, npmi.
Postman. JavaScript Axios. I see it. Oh, there you go. Alright, the internet is indeed slow. Well, let's see if we can send the request from a front end and log the response over here. It's a streamed response. इसको Axios में कैसे करते हैं?
No, you need to do like new event stream like that. Read from it, like ask cursor.
Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm sure you can't just read a event stream like this. Axios read event stream. Data, yeah, there you go. That's what we need.
Yes.
All right. Let's go to localhost /5173. Let's try to send a request to their URL. Oh, sorry, to their HTTP endpoint. It's not happening. Why is that?
Oh,
What am I missing?
like import a const access equals to require access.
Where? Here, right?
Line number 9.
Oh, my bad. Refresh. Send request. All right. Was I logging it? Was I doing with the data? I was logging it. Console.log data received. Let's try that one more time. Send request. Oh, hold on. There you go. So, do you want me to treat this message or will something? Resume conversation token, add पूरी conversation history है भाई यहाँ पे. Followed by a done. ठीक है, we're able to finally read the conversation. The request is going to ChatGPT. We don't want that. Did I just share my ChatGPT credentials with everyone? Seems like I did. I should log out from ChatGPT. My bad.
What's the state place? What can you do?
Log out. All right. Hopefully, ChatGPT clears the JWT from the backend when you log out. Hopefully. Let's see. Send request. I am hopeful this time. Fuck. Hopefully, you guys didn't see the cookie I had.
Hopefully you can't rewind.
Hopefully.
Hopefully you can't touch.
Alright, it's fine. Hack करते करते खुद hack हो गया. Alright, where were we? We want to see Grok, which was paid. Sorry, Claude, which was paid, right? That's the one. Copy as curl, followed by you guys have the opportunity of doing an Uno reverse message time here. Whoever has the cookie. File, import, paste, import, send.
Copy, remove the first line, then copy.
Copy, paste, data,
The response to data on
Stack Overflow.
set on data receipt.
Wait, what happened here? Alright, let's try that now. Refresh, close it, send request, sending the logs. Stream but is not a function.
But then it is not a stream only. Even
Refresh. We missed something obvious here. I'm sure someone in chat knows already. Response. ये बार बार ये क्यों दे रहा है भाई?
it's not good as like OpenAI.
No, it does allow me to send the request from an origin. But the question really is at this point कि हम क्या मिस कर रहे हैं? Why don't we see the response? Who knows? कौन बताएगा? I could एक मिनट रुको. Send request 0 bytes transferred. 491 bytes transferred.
By the options.
How much is this? How many bytes do you think this is? Actually, yeah, I can do something better.
ऊपर जाना open chat ID cloud asset model
Question है.
prompt EST.
There you go. What is the universe?
No, but I think that will work because the chat ID is already.
Yeah, you're right. But I just want to see if this changes. If this changes, 490 bytes था ना? That means it is getting some level of response. If it's still 490 bytes, that means yeah, it's still the same. So this isn't it. If you go back here, the first thing we need to understand is how do we reverse engineer the request, because we're doing it wrong for sure. There is some other way it is getting the response from GPT. My next guess would be something very weird, but it might be it. Let's see, preferences. actually,
Are these all options or why?
hold on. I'll know if that is it or not. Just follow दूसरे tab में. We have two with the same things, and let me type something and click on send. Now it happens over here. Does it happen over here? It doesn't. So it isn't what I was actually. What the hell is that?
So prompt जा रहे हैं.
Sorry.
ASD with the prompt we are sending.
Yes. And it came back over here. Sargam, what does that tell me?
What?
I was in this tab.
Yes.
I typed ASD. When I go back to the other tab, I see the response over here. What does that tell you?
Convex.
Some level of
Some kind of local sync.
Yeah, some real time.
Oh,
place
it's a local storage. Check local storage.
What makes you think it's coming from local storage?
Something.
No.
Index TV. So you cannot see, I think.
No, it isn't really. My point is they're just querying it. They're sending the post request, just starting the chat, and there's something that's pulling the response from the backend. Like backing the response, all of this is coming from someplace else. You're not getting that as a response. They're constantly polling somewhere.
No, I think like in tabs, whenever tab changes, they might be refreshing. No?
Something like that, maybe that. But I should still see that here, right? Where is the response coming from is the question. If I say, what is 2 plus 2? So this is just a post request that starts the request.
Okay, yes. That will start the chat.
Yeah, but where is the response? Where is the response coming from is the question. It's none of these. Notice a lot of response came here, nothing came over here. Real-time DB, but where do you see the logs of the real-time DB?
No,
Someone said
some
social storage.
network? Okay.
Someone said session storage. Which isn't it. Yeah, I mean that's my next guess also. Okay, they're creating a subscription which is probably happening via some level of a WebSocket server over here. So let me open this back in. Brother, hold on. Different user. 5E8, 5E8. Come on. Didn't happen. Oh, but there you go. This is a request. Return nothing. That's not great. Okay, there is a get request that goes in the beginning. What was it? /messages. /messages.
Message count. Free version.
There you go. That's the one. Okay. Yeah, that's not great. What I was hoping was
What was it?
actually that isn't it, unfortunately. But file import. Can I trim this down? Select equal to message assets created at original URL, MIME type, chat ID, deleted at is null, order. Okay, one clear thing I can find, I think. One clear bug I can find might be this. If I delete a chat, let me go back here. Can I delete a chat? I can delete this chat, guys. But I can still access it, which is fine. Like I can access my deleted chat, which is like not the biggest thing in the world, but that's one. Copy as curl, file, import, paste. So this is a request that I can send to get back the history of my chat. Great. Now if I delete this chat, ideally it shouldn't be accessible, right? I have deleted it. It's gone. Ideally it shouldn't be accessible. If I try to send this request now, hey, it is still accessible without any effort. I would have hoped ये मुझे हटाना पड़ता. ठीक है, not the biggest thing in the world, but you can still access a deleted chat, which is fine. Nothing crazy here. Now comes the question of can one person access another person's chat? Which would be funny if you can. That'd be really nice. I'm actually very curious to see what this is. The API key same for two different users. That's one. And it's like a short-lived API key. I don't think it will be the same. I don't think it would matter either. But let's see. एक बार हंजाला को बोलना आके माइक फिक्स कर देते कर सकता है तो वो वाला
बोला तो उसको हो गया 6+.
अरे उसे बोलो ये अगर आ सकता है तो आ जाए एक बार पूछ लो एक बार आ सकता है ओके oh, it's the same one my bad this was brave right okay let's try what oh the same only this JWT is the same for both the users so it's like a very vacuous JWT doesn't matter at all ये वाला जो API key है it's the same for every user this is the different one and this is the one we're trying to somehow you know hack or whatever is it still coming or deleted chat it is all right can you get you probably can't वो तो मैं देख लिया you can't get the conversation from a different user it returns you an empty array doesn't give you access to a different user's chat or does it I don't know copy as curl yeah it probably doesn't import paste import send it returns an empty array if I try to make this even like filter this down even further will it change anything probably won't ये तो ये समझना इतना मुश्किल है सुपर बेस and try to remove as many of these as we can and somewhere here actually can I just do this I probably can't found something
These are no nothing like good but this like how did they get response this one this will respond in this way
so I just keep scrolling this
yeah and I mean like I don't know how they do it but this they do it this way like
what is your response what is your request
request is this
no,
post request to this oh sorry
body.
in this
Body
is this
perfect that's it they're probably pulling maybe why don't we see it here probably see it here
I don't know I think your Chrome is buggy
it might be it actually
Chrome or you are using Brave right Brave is bad
actually I tried both but let's see I don't see it pull
but no
I do actually
go to response
go to response I don't see it pull
yeah but like the response is this only like this
I don't see the request going on already, right?
yeah, you see I think
there you see
post request to API v2
but I don't see it here is the question.
yeah, you don't see
What's the route?
route is
/ completion.
this only
Is it a, oh so you're saying Chrome has an issue this actually shows you the response
yeah no not just Chrome but like whatever you are using
okay
because ChatGPT one you could see right
yes all right still spending some time here hold on 5e something let's copy this thing. Okay I think I might have found something
okay
this user this is like another user's chat I typed ASD here and it came over here another user can post into your conversation
oh okay same
what is 2 plus 2 please
okay
it came over here response came over here if I refresh I don't see it here
what is 2 plus 2 is there at the top
oh it is there
no, but
it returns a response hold on
But ये
पहले से था शायद ये
Please
response enter free message I think वो पहले से था
वो पहले से था उसका वेट कर रहा है
but it's the same conversation ID it's like some weird bug but more of a bug less of a vulnerability with sending the request am I able to create 2 conversations with the same ID which is fine so this is 5E8.
Someone is like, I want you to use bot suite to send request.
Okay, maybe that is it. You did that, right?
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen.
Yeah, I mean like it is like whatever you see on browser on Android.
But you saw this extra request, no?
Yeah. But like that will also like not affect that much.
Okay, so this is one request, and this is another request. Different users, same chat ID. Okay, but
Different user,
responses.
right? Sure.
Different users. This brave user. This is normal user. Now, the first thing I would like to try is sending a request after 3. यार ये माइक से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो एक साइड आवाज आ रही है तुमने कुछ किया था वो 2 चैनल समथिंग OBS में हाउ डू आई फिक्स दैट वो एक ही कान में आवाज आ रही है उनके
OBS खोलो
so when I change the audio settings
ऑडियो
okay
कहाँ दिख रहा है जनरल में आना जनरल इसकी सेटिंग में ध्यान नहीं देखनी पड़ेगी
वो बस एक साइड आवाज आ रही होगी if I connect that
एक सेकंड
alright thank you alright what we were saying was it's probably not a bug but basically 2 users can create the same conversation ID which is fine
Someone in chat they always send low latency messages.
oh okay sounds good you may have paste or something so they're using some Supabase real-time database subscription to show this on the front end so we will probably have to spend some time figuring out how do you send the request using that and then see if we can one user can create the conversation for a different user. Someone said it's possible. We don't know yet, but I am hopeful. Actually, we can just try. But actually, we did try that. उससे कुछ हुआ नहीं था. It might be foolproof, guys. You might have to resort to just injections by the end of it. Oh, that guy. Alright, to recap everything we've done until this point, we have tried Razorpay, weren't able to do it. Supabase, still exploring. Model finding, what was that? I forgot what this was. That's pretty much it. We've tried 3 things. Now, I think मैं लिख देता हूँ एक बार what are the things that are left to try. One is going over 3 message limit for free user. I think that shouldn't be possible. 2, free user able to use paid API endpoints. This might be possible. Someone in chat said it might be. And then एक और चीज़ है वैसे it didn't happen, which is conversation sniping, which means I can see a different user's conversation. Most probably this will not happen because at least there are we've tried a few things. Just basis पर it's sort of obvious. 0.3 won't happen, but 1 and 2 are the only ones that are left. I'm just hoping the developers aren't seeing this and fixing this in real time. So it takes the whole point away. But ठीक है. We'll start with the first one. Going over 3 message limit for a user. This is the simplest one. What we can do is we just need to send another request in this. Basically, this is a front end only check or a front end plus back end check. If I try to send something, it takes me here. We can do a front end wala hack or just do the back end as well. Let's see if this thing is easy to read. Their code is easy to read or not. Few interesting things here. Nope, nothing interesting. Actually, let's just start here. actually really hard to read. All right, ask me anything. And the button. How do you? If it is somewhere here. How big is this file? It's pretty big. Hold on. What was the slash completions? I think. Where was the request going? The request was going to network tab slash completions. If I go back here, yeah, there you go. Okay, there it is. So if I put a breakpoint, actually probably has checks before this. Message limit reached, right? So message reached. Please upgrade your plan. So ये check है जो हमें skip मारना है. If plan is free, actually पूरा skip मार सकते हैं.
Token limits.
What was that? And everything else is fine. Cool.
Just remove that throw. No?
Hold on. Yeah. You can't just remove it. You have to change variables. Yep. So we'll probably land up somewhere here, I think. Yeah. So what is S and what is R? If S is, what is the condition again? If S is greater than or equal to R, then throw. So I want S to be less than R. So S equal to 0. And that should do it. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it works.
No, the request goes out. We don't still get the response.
They use like backend checks.
Yeah.
We don't know, sir.
Yeah.
Message limit reached.
Motherfuckers, they have that as well. Okay, guys, that didn't do it either. So they don't have this. The first thing that we were trying, which is this. This is a no. We'll actually remove it. Free user able to use paid endpoints is the next one. That should be easy enough to try. Actually, yeah, it should be easy enough to try. Let me go back here. Let me log out.
May I go to Mike and just select OBS?
Yeah.
Mike, which
Where is it?
Audio input.
Like the audio input.
which mic is DJ? इस पे कहाँ डाला है?
अभी तो नहीं डल रहा है, but हाँ, eventually चलो मैं नया डाल देता हूँ.
मैं डालता हूँ.
Guys, you'll hear me twice for a bit, so sorry about that. Okay.
उसमें भेजिए आप इस पे.
New one this one.
हाँ करो इस पे जाके क्लिक करो and audio properties left. ऑडियो प्रॉपर्टीज नहीं आ रही. सेटिंग्स प्रॉपर्टीज और
This?
फिल्टर्स को बोलो.
Just के बगल यही ना?
यहाँ भी था.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Same one.
This is it.
यहाँ तो लगा.
Defaults. All right, I'm just trying it up for now. Where were we, guys? Sorry about that. We were here. I'm trying to log in using a different email now, just to make sure. Increase your screen. What does that mean? Trying the free person can use the paid wala API. Try to think. They do probably have monthly resets, right? I can do 3 messages a day or something like that. So there's probably something there. Okay, if we can somehow spook the time, we might be able to change the limits. We'll see. All right, that's how you send a request using this user. Let me keep this handy over here. That's how you send a request using a paid user. What is it? Actually, doesn't even matter. Probably doesn't. Let me send a second request. Wait, what are we trying? Oh, this person hitting a different model. So let's copy as curl
Let's go to the base ones.
One second, let me just finish this. Import, paste this over here, try to change the model to Claude. Body, Claude. Everything else is fine, I think. Actually, I have another thought right now. Type start model Claude, I think it did it. I don't know if I can see it here, but let's refresh and go to the network tab. How does it get the initial set of messages? Response. Do I see Claude here?
It looks like your message.
Oh, yeah, I do see Claude.
Uh,
Finally something. Content is this. What is Claude ka content? It's just ASD. Or it's just one-sided message. One sided response name. So I think that didn't do it. That's ChatGPT request. That's DeepSeek request. That's Gemini request. That's DeepSeek response. That's ChatGPT response. That's Gemini response. That's Claude request, but I never see the response. So we are screwed. Yeah, I didn't do that, guys. Didn't do it either. Mini or cheap models is just a guess on everyone's side, so I don't think there's much we can do there. Okay, here is another thought I have. I'm assuming there's a single request that goes that increases your count of messages. कि आपने 2 use कर लिए, 3 use कर लिए, right? Probably the first request. Oh, there's this message count request. Hold on. Is this a get request? Or is a put request? If I can hijack this request, basically not send this request, probably my message count won't increase. That's my guess. Let's see. So let's see this one. This is copy as curl. Well, it's actually a very hard problem to solve anyways. So I think this might be it. We might be able to send multiple requests, more than 3.
Options.
Oh, my bad. No, it is a post request. Okay, let me try that one more time. Copy as curl, or copy all as curl. I did. File, import, paste, enter, send. So I sent 5 requests to DeepSeek now, all of them with the text that said ASD 6. And now if I refresh this, do I see I do see, but I don't see responses, which is again fucking great.
मैसेज काउंट कितना था रिक्वेस्ट में?
Sorry?
मैसेज काउंट क्या था?
2 होगा अभी.
One thing is there, like there's supervis that whatever there is, that is just for like read, not for create.
Okay.
Yeah, so create everything happens on backend. I think.
We're close. We're able to put. Hold on. 5B1437. Is this the user ID? Group ID. 11EB5C5A. Please give me a group ID here. Yes. A group ID here. Okay. So whenever you try to send a message, it creates a group ID first, and every message is attached to a group ID. If there are 5 requests so what's happening is, every time you send a message from here and click on send, it first creates a group ID, then all the individual models, fill in the response for the group ID. So actually, let me try this. What is the meaning? Can you explain, please? इसमें group ID क्या है? Okay, FFEC something.
Group as in like the message.
Message group, like.
Okay.
So if you see, we see a few things here. This is the last message I sent. What is the universe meaning? Please tell me.
Oh, I think, yeah.
It still didn't respond with what I was hoping for. Okay. Okay, we'll do one more thing. ESP2. The first thing it does is sends a request to message count. No, it sends to completion. They are independent for sure.
Yeah, they are independent.
Group
Message
ID
count is
zero.
set to 3, right? Can you make it like 2 or 1?
No, it doesn't take any inputs. It's just if you hit it, it increases the count. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or
Unfortunate.
increment.
Yeah.
Okay.
But these are independent. So some probability you can actually.
No, like if that's the case, right? What you can do is you can put an interceptor here that will remove all of the message count, request.
Yeah, you can do that.
If that is how they count.
Yeah, but my worry is when you send that request is when it creates the group ID. If not, then that works. Trying one more thing here. Copy, replace the group ID with a new group ID. And send it now. Yeah. Okay, new account. AI Fiesta.ai. Login. Log out. Login. Different email. All right. Inspect. I mean, let's do that first. What you were saying. Let's intercept the request and not forward it. Sarnam?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
I did like in 𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗀, yeah.
So, did it not increase?
Try.
All right.
Can you ask how you do
Temporary project. Next.
Right.
Start. Yeah, then go to include a proxy. Yeah, do not intercept once you open the.
AI Fiesta.ai. What's it called here?
That only.
Perfect. Okay. I don't have my email logged in
Temp
here.
email.
Temp email करता हूँ.
Yeah, it works. No, not here. It will not work in this. It will work on Chrome. On Chrome?
On Chrome.
Yes, that.
out of the box?
Oh, it's उसमें चलता क्या?
temp-mail.org.
All right. Copy it. Paste it. Copy it, paste it. All right, we're in burp now. Oh, sorry, we're in a new browser now that's sort of connected to burp or proxies via burp. So now let me look at the network tab. Before I send the request, let me turn on intercept. Let me write what is 2 plus 2. Send the request.
Yes.
Now the very first request I should forward. Post request to API/chat I should forward. This is fine.
Options. All our options is to forward.
I can just
No.
this one I can remove. This is just to message count. Even if I
Okay, yeah.
drop it, it's fine. Forward.
No, I think you forwarded message count as well.
I think I forwarded everything. Intercept off. Refresh. Perfect. Question is, has my
No, 0 out of 3 messages.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Nice.
Okay, let's do that one more time. Let me ask one more question.
No, intruder on.
Oh, sorry, my bad, yeah. Intercept on. Can you please increase? Do the math right, sir. That looks wrong. And
No, you should press enter.
send. I will forward message count. Forward.
Message count you should not forward.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'll drop this one. Drop message count, and then forward. Intercept off. Refresh, And now I have 2 responses,
Zero, it's
but I
zero.
have 0 out of
One thing what you can do right now only,
Tell me, tell me.
you can create a Chrome extension that will like intercept all of
Requests,
it, like
yeah.
or ad blocker.
Perfect. We have a project idea as well. So do we understand what's happening? We were able. They're sending the request to increase the count from the client. So you can always intercept and drop that request. Let's try that one last time. Let's see if we can do more than 3 requests in a free account, basically. Can you please do it faster? Question mark. Intercept on. Send the request.
Drop that
Message
one.
count. Drop.
Drop.
And then everything else forward. And then refresh.
Let me do it faster. No, I think intercept
Sorry,
is
sorry,
on.
my bad.
You need to follow
Yeah. So now I've been able to send them 3 messages.
with free plan.
But still 0 out of 3 messages sent, right? So I can do another one, which is at this time I don't even have to intercept, but still let's
if
do
you
it.
can do 4, then it's confirmed.
Yeah, exactly. This seems like
We have some.
the 4. We have something, don't we, Mr. Rathee? Alright, intercept on, send, drop, intercept off, refresh. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
Good, good. We found one, guys.
Why is Jinesh talk? Oh, also one more thing. What people are telling is, ask who developed you.
Really?
And then
I mean, it should not answer, but it is answering right now.
It's answering the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
we can like remove it.
That's fine.
Now you see 1 out
Now
of
you
3.
see one message.
Hey, what the fuck?
Then good.
I see.
Now it's taking time to flash.
Oh,
Okay.
interceptor
Intercept
might be
on.
on.
No, that's off.
No off. Oh yeah,
OpenAI,
Now it's deep.
DeepSeek, OpenAI. This is wrong, basically.
Hmm.
Interesting.
I think they do like some thing like system prompt for that.
Makes sense.
But system from
Do we understand hack number 1,
chat
guys?
wrappers don't do system prompt.
Do we understand hack number
Chat
1?
wrappers don't do system prompt.
They do.
Simplest
T3 chat doesn't.
thing that we
How
did
can you do a
was
system
they don't have a
prompt?
backend. They use Supabase.
No.
But whenever you are on this website and you ask it something, whenever you're chatting, let's say you ask, whatever, what is 2 plus 2? It first sends a request to Supabase to increase your message count. It sends a request to message/count. It's basically client driven. So you can always drop this request so your message count won't increase, yet you'll be able to use the LLM. So basically I can have an infinite loop that keeps on sending requests to the LLM and blow out their credits if you want. That's one thing. Now I'm curious, I think if they've missed this, which should have been obvious, there might be more things here. The other one I want to explore is...
No, I think like this doesn't make any sense because they should like put that on the completion request only.
Yes and no. They're sending 5 requests, right?
No, like they can put like 9.
Sorry?
They can put like 9 count.
No, I think that just confused it. Count should be 1. If you send one message, it should be 1.
Yeah. Good.
So, I mean, it makes sense why they did it. If you have a single provider you're talking to, you can atomically increase the message count and send forward the request to OpenAI. But now that they're forwarding requests to 5 different endpoints, they send a separate one to increase the count and then send 5 parallel requests to the actual LLM. What I thought they were doing, and probably what they should have done, is the very first request to message count actually increases the count and gives you back an ID, which I thought was the group ID. But now it seems like group ID is like client driven. And once you have the group ID is when you should send the 5 different requests to 5 different LLMs. So is that clear? Do you understand the first hack for the day? Do you understand how can you basically send infinite requests as a free
People
user?
are asking what is that interceptor that you are using?
It's called Burp Suite. I have the free version. I think the paid version.
Community edition.
I have the community edition. It basically lets you intercept any outgoing requests. You can also change the request. You can drop the packets as you saw. There are easy ways of doing this also. Like there's a few extensions that let you hack this network tab and change requests, drop requests, things like these.
Token limit की भी ये भी है request है.
Token
limit.
Correct है.
And that is also token interceptor.
Oh, I think for paid user also it's
token limit
infinite.
तो backend से हटता है.
No, for
Paid user also it's infinite.
Hmm.
Now let's do something better. Let's What did I want to do next? No, but I didn't do it. The other thing I was trying was, can free people use the paid models? Free users can use more than 3 requests. That is confirmed. Now the question is, can free users use paid models somehow? That would be the next thing to try. So amongst the things that we had written, free users, this we weren't able to do. I'll add another one. Free users can send
Messages to Claude.
infinite messages. This one we have been able to do. So let's put a checkbox over here.
Just use emoji. No recast.
This one confirmed. There was one before this that seems like isn't possible. Free users able to use paid. This is the one I want to try next, unless you want to try something else.
Free users.
Able
I
to
think
paid
free
models.
users able to send to Claude.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's-
वही तो
That only.
yeah, yeah. Should we try that, or do you have some other thing in mind?
Last line. Check the last line of DeepSeek response.
Check the last line of the
DeepSeek response
where.
in Interceptor. Oh, none of these feel right. Down now.
Hold on.
Oh, how did that came?
Yeah, seems like something else happened. It took a while, but it came.
On refresh, does it come or what?
One response. Nah, nothing. Sorry, what was that? What came?
Okay, 1, 2, 3 messages. I
Three.
think-
Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is the thing to try next, bhai. Can we actually? Well, let's look at chat. Do you guys have any ideas? Like, I mean, we'll explore ours. But any other ideas to explore? Do we understand the very first thing that we have done? Do we understand how point number 4 happens? What is? I don't think you can do SQL injection. I wouldn't think so, because they're using Supabase, right? They're not using their own SQL table. Can we surpass the 40,000 token limit? I think not, because I don't think that's client driven. I think that is directly server driven, which means you send the request, and whenever it finishes, it increases your token count. So I don't think you can do much there. We can still try. Screen cut ho raha hai. How do you know they use Supabase? I mean, it's all through their code base, right? All the requests are going to supabase.something.com. So that's why. Free plan, you must me one, but limit reached check. I don't know what that means.
Oh, this is just like which you have.
Yeah, I have no idea. We'll find out together. Ian Hawk. But we're just exploring the website, right? Yeah, we probably should leave the video, no? Shouldn't we?
We just need to.
You do have to log in, but then you have infinite possibilities after that. Basically, you have a bunch of messages. Any other ideas before we proceed
I mean, we'll
to try something else?
क्या वो preference भी check कर सकते हैं?
क्या?
There is a request जो preferences check कर रहा है
Yeah, yeah.
Model
अगर
preferences.
preferences को आप intercept करके graph को मतलब true कर सको
अच्छा ऐसा जैसे false है graph ऐसा.
हाँ false नहीं है पर उसमें key नहीं है graph वाली
But that's a get request, right?
हाँ तो क्या पता वो preferences check करके ही request भेज रहे हो
That is true. How?
इनके लिए भेजनी है
Oh, one thing you can do.
मतलब
Supabase में,
No, you can do it in like the broad suite, right? You can intercept the response and you can add your own
I
response.
think I get it, but I don't think that's client driven.
I think that is.
भाई
Because-
वो क्योंकि front end में
I get it.
switch है ना tick और
I know, I get it. But I've tried sending that post request with Claude. वो respond नहीं
Nothing
करता.
happened.
Backend में check करता है.
Okay.
Yeah. Good find though. I think that's okay, समझ आ गया ना, ठीक है. Now let's free user using paid services would be really hard to try. Let's still try it out. Well, most probably it's not happening. We've tried this already. In the chat, you asked what model it is. That's fine. I mean, that happens for a bunch of reasons. I mean, that's true, right?
I mean, it should not happen in the first place, but yeah, does not confirm anything.
Doesn't confirm anything. Just because it says OpenAI doesn't.
No.
really mean anything.
It says like no Rathee was involved in this like that.
Oh.
Yeah. Not in
In
this
the
one.
free one.
In maybe in the broad suite one.
I think I closed that. AI.
Yes, I think this is like incognito. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. See there last
No,
line.
still.
Oh.
I think they are putting system prompt now.
No.
No, I think this is just him. This is just the model.
There's no system around here.
Nah.
All right, we will continue. The second one, free user able to use paid endpoint. Pretty sure this is not hackable, but let's see. Let's go to the paid version first. Login. Bro, this was paid. I could have sworn. Oh no, sorry, I logged out. My bad. Okay, there's a free user. Let me send a chat here. Hello there. Okay. So one request goes to /chat that again has a client-driven ID. Okay. Copy as curl. I think I can definitely create infinite chats for sure, like empty chats but infinite chats. File import. And let's try just creating a different chat. Hello there too. Send. Oh no. Oh sorry, same ID. UUID generator. Send. Yeah. I can create multiple chats for sure. Refresh.
I mean, like, you can do that, but
Yeah, I'm coming to. I mean, उसके बाद क्या करना है? You can multiple chats. So if I go back to AIPS, I probably see 3 on in the sidebar. Yeah, there you go. I see 3. This one's empty. This one's empty.
Yeah.
This one has something. Why I was doing that was because I forgot actually.
Group ID.
Group ID exactly. So that's what we need to figure out. So if
chat that list. This is the list. No,
what,
below.
what does list do? Or just for pagination?
No, response.
I think that's this chat list. Left sidebar chat list.
Yeah, that only you want, no?
No. Message count increases the count. We send 3 completions. Now
That's correct.
इसको हमें we just want to send it to Grok as well, right? So copy as curl. File this conversation ID.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I'll keep this conversation empty. File import paste import, and now in one of these conversation IDs, there are a few things here. Assistant message ID, group ID. अब ये दोनों क्या है मुझे नहीं पता यार. Assistant message, chat ID we understand. I think that's just
Which chat room?
this AEF1. Yeah, this we understand. What is the group ID? What is this message ID?
Oh, I think like chat ID means the individual chat ID, right?
Yes.
Group ID is like the group of messages.
Group of 3.
Yes,
Chat
like
room,
there are 5 messages in premium and 3 in that, right? I think that is group ID.
So every group of messages has a group ID.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah,
is
yeah.
also client driven. Like this also the client.
Client
is
level, I think.
Add a new UID.
Okay, let's add a new UID here.
Refresh.
Dhruv also maybe try getting another user's chat.
We tried that, didn't happen, but we'll try it again.
And assistant message
अब
ID.
ये क्या है भाई? ये भी client driven कुछ
And this is the ID which every
response
assistant should have. So like in free version we have 3 versions, na?
right. So
So
every
each one
ID
has
is well.
different.
Okay, this is also client driven. You think?
No, not sure, but
I think it would be. Okay, and model को
everything
हम
is client.
Claude. And we have to change the model count too. I think.
model.
What is model count?
Model
We
is
have to-
nothing. Like model count is no,
5,
6 cannot be there.
5.
5 or 4.
No, I don't think they have anything for 4.
5 is good. Chat ID हम कोई नई chat की डालते हैं, which is basically
No, we have the one we just created.
yes, which is I think this one right here. All right, copy and paste. Oh, sorry, wrong place. Over here. All right, let's see. Can we make Claude talk for a chat? I think everything is fine here. Send. We get back at 200.
Receiving response.
It's event stream. It's event stream.
That's good. I mean, something is happening, right?
Yeah.
It's probably generating, probably talking to Claude for sure. But hello world, koi thi there? I don't know.
Let's see.
But they have certainly failed somewhere.
I mean, can't be this long.
Yeah.
Or else like they will throw something, right? Like
I sent hello world or hello there. ये तो कुछ अटक ही गया उनका endpoint I think. While this happens, let's go back here. Let's try to see if one of those chats is alive. Oh wait, one message is gone.
wow.
Nothing has happened still.
No, this is
This is the response.
Oh, this is the.
Oh, it is the response.
So free users. So free users can use paid chats as well.
this whole thing is
So now, what if you
Use it
start?
while you can.
Let's make an extension for this.
Yeah, that's fucking crazy. And the worst part here is, someone just starts an infinite loop and blows out their credits. And they're like
Rathee.
at 1 a.m. So like no one over there is able to fix it either. So to what?
Let's make an extension.
What else? What else can we do? And bigger ones are done already. What else is left?
One you can do is like read other people's chats, which might not be possible.
That will be really difficult, but that would be great. If you can read other people's chats, that would be beautiful. I don't think they have overall rate limits. Almost can confirm.
Legal notice.
What else do we want to do? दो तो हो गए.
Is there a way we can see?
No, I mean like the one is pointless, like where you can see other people's chats. I mean like with the UUID, because UUID is always unique.
Yeah.
It's harmless.
Yeah, that's harmless. But this is both of these are like P0, right? We
This
deserve a
is
bounty.
P0.
Yeah.
Both of these are P0, and more than P0.
Both of them are more than P0.
It's basically like open router now.
Uh,
Open router free.
Yeah. Hold on. I can see the response from completion API. Someone tell him. I can see the response from completion API. Someone tell him. I can see the response from completion. I don't know what that means. Let's do infinite loop. I don't know. That's not. No one do that. That's not good. But it's good enough. I mean, I think they will know soon enough and they'll fix it. This is like easily fixable. So yeah, that's not happening. We're not doing an infinite loop. I think this is good. I think we found what we were looking for, which was, is there a vulnerability? And yes, there are two. One is free people can use paid APIs. That's bad. Two is free users have infinite, message they can send, which means free users can send infinite premium messages. So that's not great. But I'm sure it's fixable, like easily fixable. Cool. Do you guys want to do more? What's the plan now? Do you want to try one more thing?
Build this.
Someone suggested something else as well, which is try one thing. The API key is basically anon key. Many people tend to use anon keys for admin access. So you first have to figure out their admin API endpoint, so that will not be great, right? Oh, sorry, super chats. Yes, 1 second. ये बंद करना पड़ेगा super chats. All right. We'll start from the top really quickly. Making an exchange like 𝗟𝗲𝗃, okay.
𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗃.
Quickly going through super chats now. Making an exchange like 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗃 with multiple stock graphs. It's like a decent project. It's in cohort 2, week 25. Use hopscotch. That's fine. Should have heard this before. 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗃. Very good. Very good. Can you ask, are you developed by DeepSeek? I think we did that. Nothing much there. Check the last chat. That's fine. Very simple. Is the chat you asked for modeling? Check the that's fine. Try getting other users chat. That's the last thing that's left that we'll probably try. And we dekh le bhai. Beautiful. All right. That was easy.
Good project to build.
Yeah.
You will get placed.
All right. What else? We're done with 2. Do you want to do another one, which will be conversational sniping? That's the only other thing I can think
Tell
of.
one thing. How easy is this to build?
I mean, one other thing is this
1
easy to
hour?
build or not. I mean, depends on how you clean. I mean, depends on how secure you want to make it. But if it's as secure, then probably an hour or 2. I mean, no, a few hours for sure. Like, so definitely a few days of work, right? But productionizing it, making it easy. Thing is, they're using Superbase, which is actually easier because they handle a lot of infra stuff for you. But other than that, I think it's not too. I mean, it's like a week, 2 weeks of effort. What is that? I don't know what that means. Like, but we can try. Make extension. That's actually not the worst. If you want to make an extension. Making an extension that drops the request. What happened?
Nowadays, Chrome OS Store doesn't give you. Like that was manifest V3.
Okay, got it. You
Now
can't do
like
it.
that is deprecated. But
Makes
like
sense.
yeah, they can install locally.
Yeah, makes sense. I mean, you're just exploring the website, right? I don't think you've done anything weird. It is modify the model, anticipate one, and the request, see the magic. Yeah, perfect. How to join? So 30. Phone, yeah. Anyone else has anything else, or are we just going to do a guitar session now? I don't have anything else. I mean, we can try conversation sniping.
No, you guys.
But I don't think conversation sniping would happen. I tried it in 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀. We can try it really quickly, but I don't think that's possible. So it was returning an empty array of conversations.
Are they showing what model they are using?
Where?
Are they showing that?
For conversations also.
Sonnet only, no? Sonnet.
No, like which version of it?
Sonnet 4? You're saying backend mix there is nikal sakte hain. Can we actually figure out if
No,
they're
no,
using
no,
that model?
no, no.
Is that what you're asking?
That one I didn't think.
Let's think.
No, because like they give us from the completion API,
I mean,
right?
what?
And completion API comes from Versal AI SDK.
A
So that
simple
doesn't
thing we can try is a question which only Claude 4 Sonnet can answer and not 3.5.
Okay, that's a good thing to do.
Yeah.
Let's try that. Okay, what is such a question?
We have to test it out. I don't know.
I doubt they're lying about this, so that would be. And also not a hack. It's like funny thing. Like, this is actually fun.
Does it support tool calls and anything? Nothing,
No,
right?
I don't think so.
Simple only.
What else can we do? Can you do a recap of the pro version without paying? I mean, it's just this request, right? This is a request we sent. So just create a chat, add the chat ID over here, change the model to Claude, add a random group ID, a random UUID here, a random UUID here, and you're good to go. That's it. That's all you need. Yeah.
Sniping.
It's pretty simple. Okay, it's basically in front of your screen, right? Just change the model to Claude, and we change this. I don't think it will matter. We change this to model count 3 or whatever, 5. Even if it's 3, I think it'll be fine. Random group ID over here, random UUID over here, and this is your conversation ID. That's it. It's basically as simple as just changing the model. That's it. So it wouldn't increase, right? Message count won't increase because I can send this as many times as I want. Message count won't increase because we're a different endpoint. That's another, the original thing we did. By guitar time. People are asking for it. नहीं electric. पहले बजा रहे थे बढ़िया था. I think we'll call the stream soon enough, guys.
Let's go.
We're doing an outro, then we'll call it. One of you should copy the video, to say the least. I won't take it down, but there's a high probability it goes down. If it does, I hope you guys have a copy. Cool. I think we'll try to call it here with a small guitar session. I'm thinking if there's anything else. I don't think so. I mean, the worst ones are done already. Conversation sniping would be nice. I also think it would be possible. Actually, I don't know. वो Superbase के level पे rules लगाए हुए हैं. They're checking the cookie everywhere.
RLS.
So yeah, I don't think that will happen. But you never know. It might be. I mean, if it happens, let me know. But with that, is it not connected? Make it full screen here. It's okay, you can take your time. Any other questions, guys? Anything else you guys have other than calling me on my phone? can you make a copy video and upload to YouTube? I mean, if it goes down, it'll go down again and again. We'll see. I mean, I don't know. I think the bugs will just go away soon enough. So then they'll fix it, which is good. I mean, yeah, I think this will be fixed really quickly. Is this tweet worthy? I think it is. We should tweet about it. Hold on, I know what to tweet. No, not that. Good enough?
A paid API with no limits.
That's fine. Damage is done.
Maybe
Alright.
also mention.
Mention what?
Also mention
Like tagging. I'm not looking for trouble here.
बट चली जाएगा पोस्ट इसके बाद
हाँ, मतलब
चली जाएगा
Hopefully not. Alright. We tweeted about it. Fun. Not surprising. I think. Oh yeah. If I don't know.
same mistake only everyone will do. I mean, this was
Not
even
everyone, like-
better.
Yeah, it's not very easy. Like a lot of obvious things weren't missed. For example, spending ₹1 to get a transaction. I think something worse was missed. Okay? Free people can access everything for free infinitely, which is bad. And the thing is that if this wouldn't have come out, people can just blow off their credits and they wouldn't even know. I don't think they'll have the right analytics for it. So yeah. All right, I think we'll end it here, guys. Are we singing something or are you just playing a song? Very nice. Oh, थोड़ा hard. Any other questions, guys?
Wait.
क्या
We tried taking the auth token, didn't do much. We didn't spend enough time there, but I think we spent decentish time to know they have that right. Similar procedure. Yeah.